Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to change this toilet seat in under 5 minutes. So this is your standard overall toilet seat, just like this one, and today we're going to be changing it to this Workwin Cascade toilet seat with a lock system, so there's no movement on the toilet seat once fixed. So first of all, what you want to do is locate the fixings underneath the toilet seat. And if you don't have these fixings underneath, then click this link in the top right corner on how to change a toilet seat with hidden fixings. So with these bolts removed left and right, what you then want to do is completely remove the toilet seat from the toilet. So you should just be able to lift that straight up like so. If you're having problems with this fixings, then I also have a video on how to remove toilet fixings that have corroded, and that will be in the top right corner now. So with them removed, we're going to give the toilet a good old clean. So now is a good time to give the whole bowl a clean before putting the new one on. And now with that nice and clean, we're then going to get the new toilet seat out. So I've picked this one because of the shape of the toilet it has. And if you don't know what shape your toilet is or any of the measurements, then click the top corner on how to measure your toilet seat. So with that removed, I just used the cardboard box or a towel just to lay it on, and we're then going to pierce the film and start to unpack this toilet seat. So with that all unpacked and put the rubbish to one side, what we then need is to put the toilet seat to one side, and we no longer need the box. Put that away, and we need the fixing kit. So carefully open the fixing kit and slowly start to put them to one side in order. Like so. So you've got your bases and your fixing plugs. Your fixing plugs go into the ceramic of the toilet like so. Make sure they're flush with the ceramic. Do not push them past. They need to be flush with it. These will be stiff, but do give them a good push. If you're getting stuck, a bit of Fairy Up liquid will help them go in nicely. Next, line up your fixings, and you should have 2 threaded bolts. Pass them through the middle of the fixing, screwing them in a clockwise direction into the base fixings, like so. Then grab yourself a screwdriver. Do not use an electric screwdriver this. Do use a manual one, because you'll either crack the fixing or crack the toilet bowl. So lightly screw these down so the screw starts to bite on the china. Don't do these fully tight yet, because you do need to move them. So next you want to locate the pins with the base of the toilet seat. As you can see, there's the 2 holes where these pins go into. And what I'm doing here is just turn them backwards and forwards so the front of the toilet seat is flush with the front of the china of the bowl. And then you just want to move them left and right to get your fixing centers correct at the base here. So with them on, you can then lightly push these onto the fixings for now, just to gauge whether it's in the right position. So the base units will slightly lift up, so just give them a push down so they're nice and flush with the toilet as it goes down. As you can see, the toilet seat will push down. And you're just checking that the toilet seat is flush, if not a couple of mil over the china, so you can get your finger under it just to lift it up like so. So you just want a little lip there so you can lift it. Once you're happy with that, slowly raise that back up, push the fixings back down, and then screw these down a bit more firmer so they no longer lift up and down, and remove the toilet seat. This will be your final position. So now you can fully tighten this by hand, these fixings. So this is now your position of the toilet seat. Then you can double check this by pushing your toilet seat back on and making sure you're happy with all the fixings. Once you're happy with everything, you can either adjust this still, but what I do is I then take it off, give it a final few turns, and then I apply the cover caps like so. Just push them on firmly so they're flush with the china. Then you can fully insert your toilet seat by pushing down hard until you hear the 2 clicks. And there you go. That is how you fit a toilet seat in under 5 minutes. I hope this video has helped. Please do like, subscribe, and look at the over 400 videos on the channel. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe.